hear the drizzle of the rain, like a memory falls, soft and warm, continuing, tapping on my roof and walls. And through the shelter of my mind, and through the window of my eyes, I gaze beyond these rain-drenched streets to England where my heart lies. My mind's distracted and diffused, my thoughts are many miles away. They lie with you while you're asleep, and kiss you when you start your day. And a song I was writing's left undone. I don't know why I spend my time writing songs I don't believe, with words that tear and strain to rhyme. So you see, I've come to doubt all that I once held as true. I stand alone without beliefs. The only truth I know is you. And as I watch the drops of rain weave their weary paths and die, I know that I am like the rain, there but for the grace of you go